Good day, traders. This is Rick with your futures trading coach aftermarket update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, May 12th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. Today in the room, we had two break-even, kind of scratchy trades. Some people broke even, some people just got out and lost a couple ticks. And then we had a couple really nice ones in crude. And I'm going to go through that with you real quick here. First, from left to right, this was towards the end of the morning. Gold, as you can see, had been flat pretty much all morning. We were trying to see if it can go down, and it may still go down, but we kind of ran out of time. We got short between 28.6 and 28.8. You know, came up against us a little bit. It was just taking way too long. Came back down. We were looking for, pop down here. So when it came back down here, you'll see the time was 11 o'clock. I just said, look, give it a chance, come down. If you want to wait for break even, if you want to lose a tick or two, just because it's, later in the morning here, just, get out of the trade. So that, nobody made any money on that one. On the crude, we had a couple beautiful trades on crude. Crude, we got short at 8. Let me get you the time here. 8:12 Central Standard Time, 47.98. I was in an RS trade, and that trade went down from 47.98 all the way down. Some people got out before 20 ticks, 15, 20 ticks just before the open. They moved their stop down. Other people said they were going to stick with it. But that trade did go from 98 all the way down to 47.35. So, 60, 38, 98, that'd be 60 ticks. Most people who took it got out around here, took 15 to 20 ticks, and then we got back in over here. But it was either trade here, peel off profits, have a runner, add on here, get out down here, or get out, get back in, get out. Either way, I mean, it was two separate trades. So RS there, and then we had a power play, and that was at 47.78 to 47.80, and that one went down about 45 ticks or so. Call it 40 plus ticks, and that was a beautiful trade as well, and that was a winner. And then on the ES, we tried to get short around 475.5. We added, up at 87, 86.75, depending on where people got in. And came back down. I just said, look, get out. If you got to lose a couple ticks, just lose a couple ticks, because we're not going to play with this thing. This is likely going to go up short term. So again, scratch to a tick or two break even. You clearly see we got in, we added anywhere in here. I was talking about it the whole time when this thing pushes down. Got out of the trade, and some people were able to get break even if they were in from the 85s, 475s, 450s, had to lose a tick or two. So scratch there, same thing here pretty much. And then we had two nice ones in crude. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again no, I'm sorry, it's Friday. We're going to come back next week and do it all over again. So I want everybody to have a great weekend, and we will see you on Monday.